I made it through this Get Ready With Me. And now I'm doing my intro. It's been quite a day. I just feel like my brain wasn't working today. I don't know why. I don't know why. What's up, my beautiful human beings? It's your girl, Cassidy. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, hey, what's up? How are you guys? Today I'm gonna be doing a Get Ready With Me. I have some new products. It's not really new, I've had them for a while, but I kind of have started a new way of doing my makeup without any foundation. Like, my skin is just like, girl, if you put foundation on me one more time, I'm gonna clap back. And that's what it's been doing. So I'm really taking a break from foundation right now. I know that sounds kind of crazy, but it just feels too heavy on my skin. Like, it feels like too much. My skin is so dry from the winter months, and I am breaking out like a lot. Like, it's a problem. I don't know, my skin is just so clogged. I just have like a whole new little get down in my makeup bag, and I wanted to share it with you guys because I did get a request to do a Get Ready With Me with like all of my holy grail products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Get Ready With Me. Let me know if you have any questions. Put them in the comments down below. Before we get into it, because I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of questions, my earrings are from boohoo.com and my shirt is from forever21.com online. Don't forget to give me a big like. Just click the like button down below because you know it helps me out so much. It helps me out so much when you guys like these videos. And while you're down there, you might as well subscribe as well because you're already like right next to it. So just hit the subscribe button too. Join the Cassidy Secrets gang. Now we can just go ahead and jump right into this no foundation Get Ready With Me Holy Grail products. Can I make this title any longer? We'll see. I just spent so long trying to figure out how to set up a mic, and it worked. It was working, and then I did something and then it's not working anymore. So I don't know. And it's so frustrating. Like, I don't have the patience to deal with stuff like this. I have so much patience with like anything in my life, but like tech stuff, guys, I'm definitely gonna be like a little bit all over the place in this video just because my brain is not working properly today. No. I'm gonna start out by priming my skin. I'm using the Laura Mercier foundation primer. This is the hydrating one. So since it's been winter and my skin has been super, super dry, I kind of just started going through my makeup collection. I was like, what can I put on my skin right now? Because she's bugging. And this was literally just sitting in my collection for the longest time, and I've been using it for like a week or so. I really, really love it. It feels so good under my makeup, and it's just super hydrating. Now I'm going in with the CoverGirl Vitalist Go Glow Luminizing Lotion. This one is in Daybreak, which is the lighter shade. There are only 2 shades in this. And I just take a little bit of this, just like that much, a really tiny amount. And I put it really just on the tops of my cheeks right here, just to give myself like that extra glow. This is, I used this on my Instagram stories the other day. And this is a really great dupe for MAC's Fix Plus. For MAC's Strobe Cream, because it leaves like a very luminous finish. And lately I haven't been using foundation because I'm just breaking out so much, you guys. I don't know what it is. So I'm just trying to go in with concealer. I mean, I do put concealer like almost all over my face, but it's still not as heavy as foundation and usually gets the job done just as much as foundation does. I just think the only difference with only using concealer is my makeup doesn't like last as long. The longevity of it isn't the same as when I use like a full face of foundation and concealer. But it just feels so much better to give my skin a break from foundation during these winter months because the makeup just doesn't look good on me. Oh, and I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Canal. And then I go ahead with a little bit of the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the shade Ivory. And I use this to brighten underneath my eyes. So first I'm just gonna blend out. As I said, if you guys saw my Instagram stories when I did my makeup the other day, I like to just use like a patting motion. So if I want to keep the coverage on a blemish, I really just tap it in. I don't rub, I don't try to move the product around too much. It keeps the coverage there, it doesn't move the product around, and it really just pushes it into my skin. What is this bird outside my window? Do you guys hear this? Yo, today, like, I wonder if I yell if it would stop. Stop! It worked. Oh my god, I yelled and it legit stopped. Oh, I'm sorry for yelling, little birdie. But, like, I'm trying to film. Honey, you just whining away over there. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with the Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I took off the sponge just because I feel like it wastes products. And you can see that's where it like highlights my face. Okay, now I'm going in with the Derma Blend Loose Setting Powder. This is the translucent one. And I'm literally taking the tiniest amount of this and just putting it right here on my under eyes where I crease the most, like literally the tiniest bit. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows now. I'm using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade 4.5, and this shade is a little bit dark for me, so I like to use like a lighter hand with this. Like I don't put as much product as I usually would if I was using like the shade 3 or something, which is my perfect match. Now I'm going to finish off my face. I have refound my love for this product. This is the Rimmel Insta Duo Contour Stick. It has a highlighter stick at one end, which I don't use, and then on the other end it has this contour stick, and I love this thing so much. The color is so beautiful. It's like a perfect shade between being like warm and cool. It's not too warm, it's not too cool. And the formula is so good. It's super, super creamy, blends out really beautifully. And then I blend that out with my Morphe M523 brush. I use like the tip of it and just kind of go ahead and blend it out. I kind of move it upwards onto my cheeks to just like have like a more lifted cheekbone. And like you can have a very light hand when blending it out because it's just so creamy. Like the formula is so beautiful. And just to kind of set that down, I am going to go in with my BH Cosmetics bronzer. This is satin bronzer in Totally Tan that I use all the time. Picking that up with a Sigma F40 brush and just lightly going over that, because I don't want my face to feel like sticky or anything. I need some form of setting down these cream products. That way everything lasts throughout the day. For blush, I'm taking my Flower Beauty powder blush in Peach Primrose. Oh my god, the name is so faded off because this thing is so old, but I still haven't hit pan yet, and I've been using this forever. You guys know I literally use this blush in like every video. It's my favorite. And then, of course, I go in with my Laura Geller highlighter in Gilded Honey that I love so much. And that's it for my face. So now I can go in with my eyes, and this is another new product that I've been obsessing over. I've been playing with these for a couple of weeks, and they are the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Colors. This is in the shade Burnished Bronze, and I'm so obsessed with this because they are so easy. So for all my girls that are watching that you like makeup, but eyeshadow's not really your thing, and like blending is just like, what? Like too much. These are so perfect for you, and I'm gonna show you how easy this is to use. And it looks, when I have it on my eyes, it looks like I have like 5 different eyeshadows on my eyes, when really all I'm using is this baby right here. So I just go ahead and apply it all over my lid, just straight off of the stick. I get close to my lash line, that way there's no like weird empty space right there on the line. So that's probably the only part that I'm like precise about. And then I bring it a little bit up into my crease, not too high, but high enough to where it'll blend up towards my brow when I do the next step. This is a beautiful bronze color. I'm obsessed with it. So clearly I need to blend this out. This is looking crazy. I take my Morphe M433 brush. This one is so perfect for this because like these natural hair bristles really pick up the product and move it around. So I really like this one when working with this Laura Mercier Caviar stick. Look how beautifully that blended out. That was just like literally the easiest thing ever. And it looks like I used several different shades to create like that smooth transition there. It's so nice. Like, ugh, I'm obsessed. Super easy, you guys. If you are not a fan of working with eyeshadows, this is the perfect product for you. Because look how easy it blends out. Like, I'm shook. I am seriously shook. And it looks so pretty. Of course, I blended it out, took some of the intensity away. So I'm just gonna go back in with the color stick, put a little bit more on my lid and on my crease, just to go in for like a second layer, a second blend. And then this time I don't move everything around so much. I kind of just stick to those outer edges to make sure there are no harsh lines, but I still have the intensity of like the color of the shadow stick. So just sticking to the edges. I'm using a little bit of a lighter hand this time around too. Okay, so that's that. Then I take the shadow stick again and I just run it on my lower waterline. On my waterline, I take the same brush. I'm literally working with one eyeshadow stick, one brush, and that's what makes it so much easier to have this as like a quick get ready with me everyday kind of go-to makeup, because it's like limited products. You don't have to have a million things with you. So I just take that same brush and I lightly blend out that lower lash line. So then what I'll do is I'll take my highlighter and I use my finger for this, and I literally just pop this right on my inner corner just to brighten it up, because this bronze color is a little bit intense. It's a little bit more on the dark side. If you want to brighten it up, you can take a champagne eyeshadow and just pop it right there on your lid. But I like this bronzy look that I have now, and I just brighten things up by putting my highlighter on my inner corner. I'm gonna go ahead and coat my lashes with mascara. Today I'm using Urban Decay's Perversion Mascara. I like this one. I used to like it so much until I tried the NARS Climax Mascara, and now I'm so obsessed with NARS Climax that I'm like, I can't wait till this one goes dry, because I'm just gonna run to Sephora and get NARS Climax because it's so good. So I don't always go in with lashes, but today I'm in a lash kind of mood. I'm taking a pair of Demi Wispies by Ardell, and I'm just gonna pop those on and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the lashes on. These lashes are really natural. They're like perfect, like if you are someone who may want to wear lashes on more of a daily basis, but you don't want to look like too dramatic or crazy. These Ardell Demi Wispies are perfect. So now I'm gonna go in with lips. I am using my Urban Decay Uptight Lip Liner, like always. Oh, I have to sharpen this. And then I am gonna finish my lips off with the Tarte Color Splash lipstick in the shade Skinny Dip. This is my favorite nude lipstick of all time. Of all time, seriously. I focus that on the center of my lips, and then I kind of just like pat it out. I'll use my fingers to press it in, because I don't want like the lipstick and then like a harsh line of the lip liner. And that is it for this completed Get Ready With Me look. I feel like this was one of the more easier looks that I do, which is really nice. On a regular day, it'll take me like 15 minutes to do a look like this, which is so awesome. And yeah, I just really love this. I hope you guys do too. I am going to get my butt out of this chair and get some work done and start my day. Oh, I also wanted to ask you guys, how do you guys feel about these lights on back here? I usually leave them off because they leave a really, really yellow tint to the background of my videos, and I'm not sure if I like that or if I don't like it. So what do you guys like better? Do you guys like when they're off better or like when they're on? But yeah, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you plan to try out any of these products, because as of right now, for these winter months, these are like my holy grail products. So I really wanted to bring to you a Get Ready With Me of a look that I've been wearing a lot, a look that includes all of my favorite products as of this moment. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because you know how much it means to me. From the bottom of my heart, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!